I think it's more than a home to me. I like spending my time here. It's a peace to the mind.
When I joined, there was no stadium, there was a plain grass ground. As the time came, development started, this ground was made.
Did you know that football is deeply ingrained in Goan culture with a passionate fan base and a rich tradition in the sport? The state has produced numerous talented footballers who have represented both national and international teams. The history of Goan football goes back to 1883 when the game was introduced to the state by an English priest. Goa has shown tremendous growth in sports infrastructure, including improved indoor and outdoor stadiums, playgrounds, and sports equipment, among others.
Last year, there was a Goa National Games. All India's best athletes came here and competed. So that, and we got a chance to see them, learn from them. So it was a great opportunity to learn from them and see them. And they are all basics and all equipments are also there which we need. Only we have to put our efforts, hard work so that we become a good and successful athlete.
The 37th edition of the National Games took place in Goa from October 26 to November 9, 2023. The Games marked a debut for several sports such as beach football, rollball, golf, sepak takraw, sway martial arts, kalaripayat, and pencak silat. Coastal and tidal rowing were introduced for the first time in the history of the Games. The multi-sport event, featuring a record 43 sporting disciplines, witnessed participation of 10,000 athletes from 28 states and 8 union territories. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is the flagship scheme of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship implemented by National Skill Development Corporation. The objective of this skills certification scheme is to enable Indian youth to take up industry-relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood.
I would like to thank the government for providing me with such a good opportunity, like for us youth members. To be honest, it's a great inspiration for us, the way we are provided with opportunities, so we also can put in our efforts. It's pretty good. I would also want to be grateful for what we have here. It's pretty home-like.
Actually, now after the national games, they are much more giving sports opportunities. Like they are lifting up the sports thing so that every sports person gets an option to do something, gets an motivation to do something. So yeah, and it's not about the athletics. There are many indoor stadiums. There are many sports complexes for the development of sports and in Goa.
The Khelo India State Centre of Excellence in Goa has been garnering accolades for the exceptional achievements of its athletes in various competitive sports tournaments. The KISCE in Goa is designed to accommodate 90 athletes, 30 in each discipline in its residential academy, and 47 were admitted in its first year. It was recently announced that Khelo Goa centers will be set up in all talukas of the state to boost infrastructure for sports. These centers will be established on the lines of Khelo India Centers of Excellence, and a fund of 30 lakh rupees has been allotted for the same. Also, the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs has been allocated 240.70 crore rupees for the financial year. The government is also determined to promote the participation of women athletes and thereby empower them, like the Girls Football Center in Amona and the organization of the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in the state. Model career centers have been established in the state, which have state-of-the-art infrastructure and will act as a hub of career counseling and also provide career-related services such as organizing job fairs, mobilizing the employers, providing career counseling at local events, etc. The Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium, Manohar Parrikar Indoor Stadium, and Athletic Stadium Bambolin in Goa serve as an essential sporting venues that significantly benefit the youth of the state. These stadiums provide state-of-the-art facilities for various indoor and outdoor sports activities, including basketball, volleyball, badminton, and athletics. The stadiums also offer opportunities for youth to engage in physical activities and recreational sports. The National Games, the Khelo India Centres of Excellence and the numerous stadiums built in Goa under Prime Minister Modi ji-led government are a tremendous boost for the sports in the state. The central government got state-of-the-art infrastructure ready in a short span with the aim to establish a thriving sports ecosystem in Goa. The central government envisions leveraging Goa's breathtaking natural beauty and vibrant culture to position the state as a premier destination for sports enthusiasts worldwide. By capitalizing on our stunning beaches and rich heritage, the goal is to transform Goa into a global hub for sporting events and activities.
कमल का बटन दबाएं, भाजपा को जिताएं।